Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial, how to set favorite channels on Bush TV UK. Press the TV button on your remote to bring up the channel list. Press the green button on the remote to access advanced settings so that you can edit the channel list. Press the yellow button to tag or untag channels for a favorites list. When a channel is tagged, it will have a small tick to the left-hand side of it. Once you've completed tagging the channels you want for your favorites list, press OK. Scroll down to Add on Remove Favorites and press OK. Choose a favorite list to save the list you've just created by scrolling to On. Press OK. To view the favorites list you just created, go back into the channel list by pressing the TV button. Press the blue button on the remote in the channel list and scroll to Favorites. Scroll across to Favorites 1, or whichever group your favorites list was saved to, and press OK. The favorites list that was just made will be shown. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.